Alright, now we will start with the third exercise, which is Grashopper summation. So let's see the instruction and start solving. Summation. Write a program that finds the summation of every number from 1 to none. The number will always be positive integer greater than 0. So we need to find the sum. They will give us a num. We will receive a num by an argument, and we will make a summation from 1 to this number that they gave us in the argument. So let's start and see how we can solve this problem. We start first by initializing an empty variable to save the final result. Let's call it a summation. Now, in order to add from 1 to the num, we need to create a loop that makes this addition. So just create a for loop. Let's see how we can create it. Here I'm saying I initialized an I that rotate through num as long as I is less or equal to num. I put equal because num is included in this summation. Then all I have to do is to bring my first variable that I created, summation, and I add the I that is incrementing every time it's loop and rotate through num. So I hope it's clear. I'm going to try to explain it again. I initialized num to 0. I is going to go through num as long as it's less or equal to num. It's going to be incremented. So first, at the beginning, it's going to be 0, then it's going to be 1, then it's going to be 2. And once it reaches to num, stop. The loop stop. I hope I made it clear. Then we will return our value, the summation, the variable, so it can give us the results. Test it, and here we go. You have passed all the tests. I hope I made it clear, and wishing you've enjoyed this video. Let's make an attempt to make sure I've done everything correct. Yep, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I hope you've enjoyed it.